I am Chuck Dransfield, and I am at the gravesite of the magnificent Judy Garland. I'm working on a very special portrait of her right now that I'm going to be showing in stages as it progresses. But I thought this was the perfect place to go to record this intro. It's going to be of Judy in 1954, when she was starting production of A Star is Born. But preceding that, there had been quite a bit of turmoil in her life in the late 1940s. She was beginning to show up late on film sets, some days unable to work. Her dependence on prescription medications, particularly diet pills, sleeping pills, was causing increasingly erratic behavior. When she was making Annie Get Your Gun, she had a nervous breakdown and had to be removed and replaced. Finally, in 1950, she and MGM parted ways. Some have said that she was fired, others have said that it was a mutual agreement. But nonetheless, no other film studio in Hollywood would touch Judy because of her erratic and bad reputation. Her friend Bing Crosby put her on his radio show for a number of performances to keep her before the public eye. And in 1951, she had a triumphant concert at the Palace in New York City. And this started a concert tour and a whole new phase in her life. And she would be doing this for the rest of her life, concerts. And finally, in 1954, she had repaired her reputation enough that Hollywood was calling again, and she came to do a musical version of A Star is Born, which was artistically a triumph. She got a Best Actress Oscar nomination for it, and many feel she should have won. Unfortunately, her reputation for being difficult to work with and temperamental was still present, and so it didn't lead to other film work. But she always had her concerts, she had her recording, and we have that today. So I'm looking forward to showing this portrait that I'm going to be doing of Judy.